probability that a seed germinates is 2 over 5. Find the probability that I of two seeds A and B each germinates. I of two seeds C and D neither germinates. I of the two seeds P and Q only germinates. IV out of two seeds R and V, one germinates. V out of three seeds S, Y, Z, only one germinates. Vi of three seeds R, T, V, only two germinates. Vi of three seeds K, P, N, only K germinates. By 1 minus 2 over 5 is equals to 3 over 5 did not germinate. Solution. We have figured out that the probability for the seed to germinate is 2 over 5 and the probability for not to germinate is 2 over 5. Therefore, for the question 1, probability of A seed A and B to germinate is 2 over 5 for A times 2 over 5 for B, which we now get 4 over 5. The probability for neither of the seed C and D to germinate is 3 over 5 for C times 3 over 5 for D is equals to 9 over 25. The probability for the two seed PQ only germinates of seed PQ, P, and only Q germinates. If we have the probability for only P germinate, we have 2 over 5 for P times 2 over 5 for Q, give us 6 over 25. The probability of two seed R and V out of 1 germinates. For 1 to germinate, we now have 2 over 5 times for C for R times 3 over 5 for the one that will not germinate times 2 over 5 for V, which will give us 12 over 35. For of the seed S, Y, Z, only one germinates. We have that if one should germinate, we will have out of the 3 seeds. So the one that germinated is 2 over 5 times the ones that did not germinate is for S is 3 over 5 times for Y is 3 over 5 for Z is 3 over 1 will give us 5 which will give us 54 over 125. For the seed, for the three seed RCV, only 2 germinate. We have that for 2 to germinate, 1 will not germinate. We have 2 over 5 for seed or only times 2 over 5 for any of the seed times 2 over 5 for the seed that did not germinate times 2 over 1 for the 3 planted seed. It was to 36 over 125. For the 3 seed KPN, only K germinates. For the keys, only 3 K germinates. We have that for K, we have 2 over 5 times the ones that did not germinate. Out of the 3 is 3 over 5 times 3 over 5, which gives us 18 over 125. Example. The probability that P and Q hit a target is 2 over 5 and 1 over 4 respectively. If two aim at the target together, what is the probability that I both hit the target, I both miss the target, I only Q hit the target, IV only one hits the target? To miss the target, we got certainty 1 minus 2 over 5 to hit the target will give us 3 over 5. 2 means the target is 3 over 5. For the probability of Q hitting the target, missing the target, we have 1 certainty to hit the target minus 1 over 4 is equals to 3 over 4 to miss the target. Solution: if the two aim at the target together, what is the probability that both hit the target? Probability for both is equals to 2 over 5 times 1 over 5. That is for them the probabilities of them hitting the target, which is equal to 2 over 20. 2 will cancel itself to give us 1, and 20 cancel to give us 10. We now have 1 over 10. The probability if the two aim at the target together, both miss the target. We've gotten the probability of both missing the target for Q and P. We have that the probability of P is 3 over 5 times the probability of Q missing the target is 2 over 4, which will give us 9 over 20. If the two aim at the target together, what is the probability only Q hit the target? If Q should hit the target, P will miss the target. So we have probability of only Q, that is 1 over 4 hitting the target minus times 3 over 4 for missing the target, which get 3 over 20. The probability if two aim at the target together, what is the probability that only one hit the target? Probability that only one hit the target is 2 over 5 times 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4 times 3 over 5. Which give us 6 over 20 plus 2 over 20, which is the same thing as find the LCM is 20. 20 divided by 20 will give us 1. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 20 divided by 20 give us 1. 1 times 33 plus the numerator, which is 6 plus 3 over 20 to give us 9 over 20. Example: if the probability that a child wins scholarship from government is 1 over 4, find the probability that I of the two children both win. I of the two children only one win. I of the 3 children only 1 win. IV of the 3 children only 2 wins. Solution: the probability that both of the children win the scholarship will be 1 over 4 times 1 over 5, which is equals to 1 over 16. The probability of the probability that of the two children only one wins is equals to 1 over 4 times 3 over 4. This is give us 3 over 16. Probability that only one win. Of the 3 children, only one win. We have that 1 over 4 times 3 over 4 times 3 over 4 give us 9 over 64. IV. Probability that only 2 win. We get 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 times 3 over 4 give us 3 over 64.